Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing one platform and one stack so progress is fast. Install a code editor and Git, then create a new repo and a minimal project scaffold. Once done, write a one-sentence goal and sketch 3 screens or endpoints that deliver that goal. Make sure to pick a single core feature to ship first. This avoids scope creep. Commit early, run the app in an emulator or browser, and confirm the initial screen loads before moving on. You now build the app's core. Implement the UI for your main feature and wire state or props so data flows predictably. Connect to a simple backend or a mock JSON endpoint. Use Fetch or the platform's HTTP client. This lets you develop front-end and back-end concurrently. Once you have a working flow, write small unit tests and exercise manual edge cases. Make incremental commits, and run the app often so regressions are caught early and the core stays stable. You finish by polishing user experience, responsive layouts, input checks, and small animations that aid clarity. Prepare a production build, sign if required, and deploy to a handful of testers to gather focused feedback. Once feedback arrives, reproduce any issue reliably, isolate the cause, and write a failing test before fixing it. This prevents regressions. Finally, iterate on small performance wins and keep the change set minimal. This makes future fixes easier and your app more maintainable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.